Hi, this is Dr. Ram, President of Pratishtha USA. We are here in second time, IBIE, a great event, global event, focusing on baking powders. For the first time in the globe, the Pratishtha is launching a natural mold inhibitor, which is called fermented dextrose or fermented wheat flour, whatever, having highest concentration. Either I witnessed earlier, nor going to witness the quality of the product which we are launching on this global event for the benefit of all the baking industries across the globe. At the same time, we are focusing on reducing the dosages, improve the quality of the all type of baking products, and main focus is reduce the food wastages, because globally it has estimated almost like $980 billion food wastage as on 2022. So if we can provide a plant-based food ingredients which are very clean label, at the same time non-GMO, natural, and then fermented flours which are having 100% bioavailability and using non-genetically modified organism fermentation technology. Therefore, this particular event of IBIE is going to witness a global required first time introduction of natural mold inhibitor, that is fermented dextrose or whatever it is, with the highest concentration. This is the beauty of this particular product launching in this global event for the benefit of all the baking industries across the globe. I hope people will enjoy the benefit of Pratishtha patented products, and then we have 4 patents in the United States. This is one of the products we got the patent, along with natural vinegar, which has almost the active ingredient of acetic acid of beyond 45%, and then we have natural potassium sorbate along with other organic acids. So we are focusing on not only taking care of nutrition but also antimicrobials, which are plant-based, natural, non-GMO and clean label products. Enjoy Pratishtha unique technology. God bless all of you.